If you're familiar with cooking on a pizza stone, then you might want to be looking into stone griddle cooking in general. I was really interested in tackling something like this just because I'm doing a lot more cooking this summer, and stone cooking, like a pizza stone, has a lot of benefits. Let's jump in, check out the product, and see if it's right for you. So, a quick unboxing here. It has not really an instruction manual, but an inspiration booklet. Bamboo platter, stainless steel tray that sits into that, and it actually has two granite stones. Only one of them will fit on that tray. So, what is a cooking stone? What's it good for? Well, primarily heat distribution. It acts as a heat reservoir, absorbing and radiating heat evenly. It prevents hot spots and ensures food is cooked uniformly. This also allows for searing and crisping without the need for excessive oils or fats, which also makes it a healthier option. Functionally, you also benefit from the flat surface. Things won't fall through the grill. I definitely recommend stone grilling. Cleanup was easy, food was delicious, and it was a fun new experience.